Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming internet access and finding the adapter name in Settings, Network, and Internet. This avoids guessing later. Next, right-click Start and open Device Manager so you see the exact device entry. Make sure you run as an administrator because driver installs require elevated rights. If you might download on another machine, prepare a USB flash drive. Once done, keep Device Manager visible so you can proceed directly to the update steps without interruption. You now update the driver. Right-click your network adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows try first because it's the quickest path. If Windows doesn't find anything, pick Browse My Computer and point to the folder with Manufacturer. In Files, this ensures the exact driver installs. Make sure to extract any zip downloads before pointing to them, and restart the machine when prompted, so the new driver fully initializes and registers with the OS. Finish by restarting the PC so the updated driver loads cleanly, then confirm connectivity in Settings, Network, and Internet. If the update breaks networking, open Device Manager, right-click the adapter, choose Properties Right Arrow Driver Right Arrow Rollback Driver to restore the previous working version. If rollback isn't available, boot into safe mode and uninstall the driver, or use the manufacturer's full installer from their support page via another computer and transfer it by USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.